So to change the names of them, we go back to the. Well, wait. Can we do it in the? Can we do it in the app? We can do it in Alexa, right? Okay, so to get in there to change the name of your Roku device through Alexa, open up Alexa on your phone, tablet, whatever you're using. You click devices, right? Devices. Boom. Okay, and that'll bring up a list of current devices, of which, you know, they'll show you which ones are on and which ones are off. But then all you do is you click click one. We'll click this one here because that one's no longer here. All right. See, it says the name up there. Edit. Edit name. Okay. Oh, you can just push right into the name. Boom. Boom. Done. Computer, turn YouTube stats off.
Okay.
Nice. It didn't work. Computer, turn YouTube stats on.
Okay.
Nice. That's all you have to do to get it set up. As far as commands and controls for the devices, Google it.